Hello my dear friends, how are you? I hope you are all best. Welcome to my Air and Wide channel. So in this my content, my topic today about what is wire. I am complete teach you about it. Refer to action news. Also please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and start my topic. A wire is a flexible round bar of metal. Wires are commonly found by drawing the metal through a hole in a die or draw plate. Wire gauge come in various standard sizes as expressed in terms of a gauge number of cross-sectional area, and wires are used to bear mechanical loads, often in the form of wire rope. In electricity or telecommunication signals, wire can refer to electrical cable which can contain a solid core of a single wire of several strands in stranded or braided forms. So friends, was my topic. I hope you like. So now I'm going to my new topic. Take care, Allah Hafiz. And next topic is very important for you. So also please complete watch. So now I'm going. Take care, Allah Hafiz.